How to make Korean rice mask. Hey sweetheart, welcome back to the channel. If your skin's been feeling a little dull lately and you're dreaming of that glowy, bouncy Korean style skin, this one's for you. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make the iconic Korean rice mask at home, with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Simple, clean, and so effective. Let's glow up together. Okay, so why rice? In Korean beauty, rice has been used for centuries to brighten the skin, even out-tone, and add that healthy glow. It's full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce dullness, fight pigmentation, and give your skin that natural radiance. And best of all, it's generally enough for almost every skin type. What you'll need. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup of white rice, water, a small bowl. Optional, milk or honey for added moisture. That's it. No fancy stuff, just nature doing its thing. How to make it. First, rinse the rice thoroughly to remove any impurities. Then boil it in about 1 to 1.5 cups of water until the grains are soft. Don't throw away the water. That's liquid gold. Once the rice cools a bit, mash it into a smooth paste. If you want extra hydration, add a teaspoon of honey or a splash of milk. And your Korean rice mask is ready. How to use it. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes while you relax. Then rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging your skin in circles. The result? Soft, smooth, and radiant skin, like you just stepped out of a spa. This mask is seriously a glow-up essential. I try to use it once or twice a week, especially when my skin needs a little love. If you try it, let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you're into easy, cozy self-care routines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so we can keep glowing together. See you in the next video. You're glowing, babe!